Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So, uh, now we are going to discuss our fifth unit. Last time I taught you that is the poem which is the zoo manners. In that poem we saw the number of animals, birds, whoever lived in a zoo. Okay, so all type of animals we saw in that poem, and what are the specification of they have already uh, we uh, we studied, right? So now I am teaching you that the next portion, that is the say aloud. From that say aloud, here we have some questions and we have to give answers to them. So let's start. Say aloud, that is in that some words. Repeat after me. Pump, hum, dump, dump, crowd, crowd, crow, crow, cloud, cloud, claw, claw, noise, noise, prize, prize, size, size, pies, pies, flies, flies. Understood? The next portion is let's sing and act. You can see here there is a one big elephant. He has one big trunk, 2 ears, 4 legs, and he is having fun with himself, right? So let's see what is there is a in that four line. This is a a song we need to sing. The elephant walks like this and that. He is so tall and so fat. He has no fingers. He had some toes. But oh my goodness, what a big nose! Great. So, in that, make sentence using this and that. So, what in that the portion, what we have to do, we need to make some sentence by using this and that. So, when you use this and when you use that, we use this or that to refer people and things, situations and experience that are close to speaker or very close in time. Means if anything which is closer to us, that time you have to use this, and any the thing or the person or people who is having a distance from you, that time you have to use that. Okay, for example, this is a bag, right? This is a bag which is near to me, so I used this. Second example, this is a pen is in my hand, so I said this is a pen. This is a book, because these things which is these things are close to me, right? So I used this word. Now that, when you use that, when the people think or the situations or time which is having distance from you, that time you have to use that. Okay, for example, that is car, that is car, that is pillow, right? So this type of words you can use and make a sentence. Understood? Now the next portion is let's write. Let's Right. In that, what we have to do, fill in the blanks with the word from the box. In that the red box, you can saw a number of words. Okay, by using these words uh, we have to complete this given below story. Okay, when before you use the word, you can see here the pictures of that particular thing. So by seeing the picture, by using help of this picture, you can able to write the complete story. So let's start. Okay, first is, in June we went to a blank. What you are seeing here, there is a number of homes, right? The houses, so it must be a village. It must be a village. So how can you write, in June we went to a village, right? Next line, where my, there is, you can see a woman which is a old woman, right? So who is she? She is a grandmother. She is a grandmother. So how can you write, where my grandmother lives? She has a farm. On her farm there are many animals. Now see the animals. There are two blank. What are the animal of this have? These are the two horses. Exactly, these are the two horses. So you have to write horses, 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 comma, a blank. What is this? What is the next animal? Cat. This is a cat. So a cat with its blank. What are they? They are the kittens, the baby of cats, that is kittens. KITTENS, kittens. 3 dogs. They are the three dogs. So you have to use S, dogs. Or 1, what is this? Hen. 1 hen. As well as a cock. Exactly, COCK, cock, as well as a cock. And a, what is that? Cow. What is that? Cow. And a cow, COW. Every morning she feeds her animal with, what is this? This is a feed of animals, that is hay, HAY, hay. Or milk. This is a milk packet. You can see that, right? So milk. They drink water from a pond. From a pond, 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 on the farm. Okay. So this is a story. You have to write all the words in the given story and fill it properly and complete the story. Okay, I hope you understood, and you will do your homework within on a correct time. Okay, all the best and do your homework. Thank you.